Good morning. I have my tea card from 7-Eleven and now it's time to go and catch the subway. Google Maps works, but only so-so. So I'm using Navimaps to navigate. I've even got to make a subway change. So I think it's this way to my first exit. Let's see how we go. I think it wants me to go this way. I really don't know. Okay, I've got my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing and I'm heading in the right direction now. Crazy times. Woohoo! I can see exit 5. I've just got to get across this pedestrian crossing without getting run over. Okay. As usual, I keep walking on the wrong side. Right, now I'm on the right side. Okay, I'm excited and it's only a subway station. Good. Now there's 3 lines. I think it's the orange one I want. I have to get my phone out to have a look. Looks like it's just a tap, so let's give it a go. I heard the beep. I'm legitimately in and I'm heading to line 3. What side? I don't know yet. Well, I guess I'm going the right way. Line 3. Go me. Haven't got on one yet, but I've got this far down. At least I didn't have to do lots of stairs. This is a journey to the centre of the earth, I think. There's another lot of escalators to go down. It's interesting, there's no advertising all over the walls like there would be in a lot of other cities. Much nicer, I think. Okay, I still have to keep going for line 3. No wonder it would have been, I think, just as quick to walk there as to catch the subway. But this is so much more fun. Ah, I got it. So I walked from here to exit 5, but I've got to go to Jongo 3, so that's why I've got to go through. Nellie went the wrong way, but I saw all these people going, so I figured out it must be this way. And finally, I have made it to the right platform. Now I have to figure out which side is my side.
돌아가실 고객께서는 이번 역에서 4호선으로 갈아타시기 바랍니다. This stop.
Okay, this is my stop. Phew, I made it this far. Now I've got to figure out how to transfer. I've checked my trusty Navi map and I've got to go for line 4 blue. And there's 2 sides to line 4. I don't know which side I'm meant to go to, but let's give this a go. Yep, I've looked at the app and this is the one I need. So let's wait for the next train. Oh, people are lining up already and then we'll see how we go. Phew, this one's not as crowded. to my destination. Oops, everybody's walking the other way. I meant to go to exit 4 now. God only knows where that is. So close. Am I going to get there? I didn't realise those numbers are the exits. And I want number 4, so I'm going in the right direction. It's my turn to tap off again. Right, T card out. Let's see. Right, I didn't see how much it cost me, but I saw I have 18,600 yen, so must have got $1,400. $1.40 maybe, $2. It's pretty cheap. Okay, first impressions of catching the subway in Seoul. It's clean, it's organised, it's signposted well. As an English speaker, a little bit hard to figure out things, same as if you're in Berlin or Tokyo, but you get it, it all writes the same. There's only one thing I would have liked is when I was on the train. I love it in Tokyo on the lines where they show you what station you're at, and then they have a little light come up to show you what station you're going towards. It just gives you a bit more confidence where in the hell you are. Otherwise, it was perfect.